this is my bike check, and don't hate, my voice is dirty. It's messed up. This is my bike check, and this is a complete custom, so like none of this is stock except for my front wheel. So yeah. Okay, so to start off, I got some Odyssey Mike Atikin grips. They're not very good. Would not recommend them. Not at all. And then I got freaking best handlebars in the world. S&M SU bars. And then I got this stem. My freaking friend, he just yelled at me, "What the heck is that stem?" And I got the fly stem. Tiny. And I got a Verde integrated headset with the 20 like giant headset spacer with the FitBlade V3 forks, Sunday Street Sweepers tires. I have no idea what type of pegs these are. No idea. And as I said, the front wheel stock for my Sunday AM Plus. And I got the Kink Solar C1 frame. And Odyssey JCPC pedals. They grip amazing, but if you do happen to slip, you're screwed. Not a joke. Like, the pins are screws. You'll be screwed. I got Mission Transit cranks. They're literally the cheapest cranks on dance comp. No joke. But they're one of the best, so get wrecked. And then, I have the E-Clat vent sprocket. It's amazing. It's guarded, and it's, yeah, amazing. No idea, I think it's just, this is a KMZ standard chain. I got a Mission Spanish bottom bracket. Sucks monkey nuts. And then I have a Sunday Thunder rim in the back, laced to a Sunday Cyclone Free Coaster, which is basically the same setup as the Odyssey clutch. And female axle, both front and back. Got a hub guard on this side. Got the Sunday Cloud seat here. I'm not running any